This is Geeks Keep You Running, Season 3, Episode 14, Hackers Hate When You Do This. As always, Geeks Keep You Running is brought to you by the experts at Piedmont Technical Experts, where they keep you running. Geeks Keep You Running is hosted by Jonathan Beck. Hey there, welcome back to Geeks Keep You Running, the podcast where we talk all things tech, cybersecurity, and keeping your business operating like a well-oiled machine. I'm your host, Jonathan Beck, and this episode is brought to you by Piedmont Technical Experts, your local partner in IT support and cybersecurity right here in the Triad area of North Carolina. Today's topic hits close to home for every small and medium-sized business. We're going to be talking about why security awareness training, dark web monitoring, spam filtering, and cloud backup aren't optional anymore. So go grab some coffee or your energy drink and let's dig in. Let's start with something simple. Your team. They're your first line of defense, but they're also your biggest risk. Every week, someone in your company is bound to get a phishing email. Maybe it's disguised as an invoice, a shared Google Doc, or even a message that appears as though it's coming from you. And all it takes is one wrong click. Security awareness training teaches your staff how to spot the red flags, whether it's unexpected links, urgent language, or sketchy senders. It's not about making them paranoid. It's about making them aware. Piedmont Technical Experts, our security awareness training program involves two pieces. First, simulated phishing tests, and you'd be surprised who clicks those links. But it also includes security awareness training videos, all of which makes this a trainable, teachable point, and repetition builds reflexes. Imagine your company email and password are out there being bought, sold, and reused. That's not fiction. It's Tuesday on the dark web. Dark web monitoring checks to see if your credentials have been leaked and alerts you when they show up on the dark web. That gives everyone a chance to get ahead of a breach before it happens and before it becomes a front page news story. You wouldn't leave your office door unlocked. Why would you leave your digital identity wide open? We can offer dark web scanning that ties directly to your business accounts and flags any compromised data in real time. It's proactive security. Alright, so if your inbox looks like a Vegas flyer, you're probably doing it wrong. A good email security system starts with smart filtering. That includes spam filtering to weed out the junk, phishing protection that catches impersonation attempts, and attachment and link scanning for malware and zero-day threats. We see too many small businesses relying on default or outdated filters. At Piedmont Technical Experts, we deploy advanced filtering that keeps the junk out and lets the good stuff through. Think of it as a bouncer for your business email. So here's a dangerous myth. We use Microsoft 365 or Google Workspace, so we don't need backups. Wrong. Cloud platforms are great, but they are not responsible for backing up your data. If something gets deleted, corrupted, or encrypted by ransomware, you're more than likely going to be on your own. That's why we always recommend third-party cloud backup solutions. Multiple snapshots daily, full recoveries, searchable archives. We've had clients accidentally delete folders that were 100% recoverable because they had the right backup plan in place. Remember, collaboration tools are for access, not protection. So let's put it all together. Security awareness training empowers your people. Dark web monitoring finds your leaks before the hackers do. Spam and phishing filtering shields your inbox. And cloud backup gives you a reset button when everything else fails. These aren't nice to have features anymore. They are foundational. Without them, your business is gambling every single day. And with the cost of a data breach averaging at least thousands of dollars, the return on investment on prevention is massive. Thank you for tuning in to this episode of Geeks Keep You Running. If you're in the Triad area, Greensboro, Winston-Salem, Kernersville, High Point, we'd love to help you button this up. Visit us at Piedmont Technical Experts to schedule a no-pressure assessment. This is Jonathan Beck with Piedmont Technical Experts and Geeks Keep You Running. Catch us on the next episode of Geeks Keep You Running, where we're going to be talking about tuning up your slightly older PC.